Kathy got this from an old house that was being torn down.
Antique light from my friend's old house. I'm going to take it apart and we're going to redo it. We're building a green roof home here in the Adirondacks, and I thought it would fit in great with the rustic interior we're striving for. However, since it is about 50 to 60 years old, we did decide to give it a little TLC and some updates.
It's a vintage sort of lantern lamp thing that resembles a harness kind of thing. She took it apart a long time ago, cleaned it, painted some pieces.
When restoring a vintage light, be sure to take a lot of pictures and video so you have something to refer back to later on, just in case. It's coming apart, but it's not fun, and there's a lot of bugs. Be very careful when removing and separating all the parts and pieces. Nice! Wow. Thanks, honey. We are fully apart. I think this is real copper, but whatever it is, we're gonna do some cleaning and painting. Oh, it's okay, I could fix that.
It'll go together.
Yes, it will. Nobody will know.
Hang on. Shoot, it just...
Metal. We'll glue it. It's okay, honey. It's fine. Don't worry. I could sand this down really nice now.
Yeah, now you could get the color you're looking for.
Yeah. Gently clean and dry all the pieces you will be reusing, being careful not to disturb that vintage patina. Sanding the wood or metal and restaining or repainting it will definitely decrease the vintage value of the fixture. However, if you're restoring it for personal use, then you can do whatever you think is going to work best in your home.
It's important to keep the proper angle of this pad.
Okay. Good job, honey. Good job. Well, I finished sanding. That was a lot of work.
Wow, good. That's what you need.
And then I took this and I sanded that. But I still think I want it black.
Is that Scotch-Brite?
No, that's sandpaper.
Yeah, black. Beautiful.
Most vintage light fixtures have outdated electrical components, including wiring and sockets, that should be replaced with newer components for safety and reliability.
So we decided to go with the brown wire to go through the chain. Bought a couple new sockets for it because the old ones were really bad.
It's a year and a half later and the kitchen is done and now the loft railing is done. So we can finally finish the ceiling over the kitchen counter and get that light hanging.
The part that bothers me is I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a nut here. I feel like there was one, but I don't have it. That. So continuity check. So the middle of the socket is going to be the hot. Probably going to be this one here. Alright, so that's hot on that side. And on the other side, alright, so this one's hot on this side. And this one's hot on that side. these two go together. Which means these two are the neutral and they go together. Alright, use these yellow ones. So by using my meter, I was able to determine which one of these is the hot lead. And I'm putting some black tape on it, so I know. You got all my connections in here. Put that in like that. Try not to pinch anything. I feel like this should have been painted. Tighten that. Tighten that. So I marked this with black tape. That's my hot lead. Double check. So I should have a tone here and down in the center of that socket, which we do, and we should not have a tone on the outside. So there's no short. Same thing here in the center, and nothing on the outside. This is the neutral outside. Good. No tone in the center where the hot lead is. So now we know this is our neutral and this is our hot line. Nothing to do now but to put it up. There you go.
Looks so good, honey.
The pieces, right?
Yeah. Amazon.
Hope you got the right ones.
Me too. It was so long ago now.
They look like they're frosted.
Yeah? Oh yeah, they look exactly like the one that was on it.
I'm gonna go get the original.
It looks like it.
It does.
It's a darker,
Here's the original.
it's white instead of frosted. Or do you think that just faded
This
over time?
could have faded.
Oh, it's good. Oh, I like it.
It's gonna be nice.
It's very easy to find broken or missing replacement parts online to keep the light's original appearance. Just be sure to take accurate measurements.
All right, Kathy picked up these bulbs. Let's see what we got. 8 watts. Dimmable. Ooh. Oh yeah, just make it nice. There it is.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
Long awaited. All right, here goes nothing.
Okay, the kitchen lights went on.
Yeah, so it's gonna be this switch. Ready?
We absolutely love how we refurbished this vintage light. It's functional, it's safe, and it enhances the character of our Adirondack home interior. And yes, we probably ruined the resale value, but we really don't care because we plan on enjoying it for the rest of our lives. It looks really good.
It looks nice.
It
Don't
does.
forget there'll be lots of trim boards all around. It'll look nice.
All right, I'm Kathy,
I'm Rich.
and we're creating a simpler life in the Adirondacks, but obviously, simple doesn't mean easy.
Obviously. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos and repurpose, recycle, and reuse older materials and creating a simple life here in the Adirondacks.
We'll see you in the next video. Look what our friends just gave us. This is going to hang in our dining room. A vintage wagon wheel, Western light that matches the light we just refinished. It's gonna come out of that box there, go up to the beam way up there, and hang down over a dining room table right there. Stay tuned.